This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to see Excel version easy guide. Open Excel and click File, then Account to view the version details immediately. Look for the product information area for version and build numbers. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, press Alt+F then I to reach account quickly. I'll also cover differences between older menus and the modern ribbon to make this simple and clear. Open Excel on your Windows PC and click File, then Account to find version and build details right away. The product information section gives the exact version like Microsoft 365 or Office 2019. For older Excel, use the Help menu or About Excel to see version text. I'll guide you through reading build numbers and where updates appear so you can tell if your Excel is up to date. On a Mac, click the Excel menu and choose About Excel to read the version and build information quickly. If About Excel feels brief, open Microsoft Auto Update to view detailed update history and version status. I'll show how the App Store or Auto Update indicates whether you have the latest patch. These small checks save you time when troubleshooting compatibility or following online tutorials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.